All right, so let's do a quick update on the car. We've got the Team-Z Tubular front end. It's just tacked in. It's all squared up and tacked, ready to get burned in. Painted the mini tub kit. It's got some metal etching primer and then a couple cans of undercoating to protect the metal and to kind of deaden some of the sound. And there's the UPR anti-roll bar and the top shock mount and the train. In the trunk you can see all the UPR parts and the QA1 shocks that are sitting in here, and I painted the trunk. And there's the mini tub kit all set in there already and seam sealed, primered and painted. And behind the car we got the rear end out, UPR spherical ends in the rear end already. I need to weld the tubes up. Just can't decide if I'm gonna narrow it or have custom wheels made like last time. And in the car, it's got the subframe connectors through the floor with the outriggers welded in already. For when I do a roll cage, I'm not sure if I'm doing it right away, but it's ready to go. And the rear seat brackets are in, and there's the wheel tubs, all seam sealed in the battle box kit. It's all bolted in and welded in on both sides, in and out. That's the UPR kit. There's the other subframe connector. But with the subframe connectors, even with the car up on jacks, it's super sturdy. No more misaligned doors. Car's pretty clean. I mean, it's dirty, but it's straight. California car. No accidents. Calypso green. Getting there.